Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Gamma Seal lid. First, understand that this clever two-part system transforms a standard 5-gallon bucket into an airtight, watertight storage solution. It's perfect for keeping contents fresh and protected from moisture and pests. We'll cover attaching the ring, using the lid, and some helpful tips for best results. Let's get started on securing your supplies. To begin, separate the two parts of your Gamma Seal lid, the adapter ring and the screw-on lid. Make sure your bucket's rim is clean and free of debris. Now, place the adapter ring evenly on the bucket's top edge. Using a rubber mallet, gently but firmly tap around the perimeter of the ring until it snaps securely into place. You should hear a distinct click as it seats properly. Once the adapter ring is firmly in place, take the screw-on lid. Align it with the threads on the adapter ring and twist it clockwise. Hand tighten the lid until it feels snug. This creates a secure, airtight, and watertight seal, protecting your contents. To access your stored items, simply twist the lid counterclockwise to remove it. Gamma Seal lids offer superior protection for your stored goods, keeping out moisture, air, and pests. They are excellent for long-term food storage, pet food, or organizing various supplies. Remember to always hand tighten the lid for the best seal and regularly check the gasket for cleanliness. With proper use, your Gamma Seal lid will provide reliable, easy-access storage for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.